Hey guys, I want to teach you how I customize my lip colors so they could go with my skin tone. I always start off with a brown lip liner just so it could blend easily with my skin tone. This is going to be a red look, so with the red looks I apply it and I blend it in really well with the brown lip liner, and then I apply purple eyeshadow because purple has blue in it, so the blue complements the red really well. Red lipsticks with blue base always make your teeth look white. And I blend it in, make sure it looks nice, and I top it off with some lip gloss. Be careful with the lip gloss because it won't stay on your lips for too long. And then I top off with a shimmery lip gloss in the center of my lips to make them more pouty. The next look is also a red. It's a little bit lighter. So I do the same steps. And then I make sure I really blend in my lip liner. Then I go in with a pink that has some purple specks in it, some purple shimmer, and I outline my lips with that. It's going to do the same thing, but it's not going to be as dramatic as just straight up purple. And I make sure I blend it in really well. Then I get the center of my lips with a lighter pink to give it more dimension so it won't be so flat. It looks best when you apply the lip gloss. The shimmer really pops once you apply the lip gloss. The next look is going to be with brown. Sometimes with brown, it just makes your lips look flat. So I do the same thing with the brown lip liner. Then I apply my lipstick. Make sure you blend in the browns really well with your lip liner. If you don't blend in the lip liner well, you can tell. Then I go on the center of my lips with gold and I blend that in as much as I can. This look, I feel like, has to have lip gloss, just like my other looks. Anything with the shimmer always looks good with the lip gloss. So if you're applying any eyeshadow with it, that shimmer, just apply lip gloss and make it pop. The next one is also a brown, but this is going to be a little bit lighter, not as dramatic. So this one actually goes really well with my skin tone, kind of looks more like a nude on me. I apply a light orange in the center first, just so I could get it blended, and lip gloss. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. Bye.